Welcome to the review channel. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review is this outdoor shed. This thing is pretty cool. It is 6 foot by 4 foot. It has the vents on either side so that it can get some airflow through it. It has these channels in the roof and on the side to help the water come off. And when it's put together, these pieces kind of hook together, which you can see when I'll show you some assembly pieces here. But these kind of slide together so that the water will flow down and not between them. It does have a floor, and this floor snapped together pretty easy and then screwed together so that it's nice and secure. And it has some holes in the corners where I'm going to put some pins to make sure it doesn't blow away. But it's pretty secure. It's got all of this framework that we assembled, and then it's screwed on in multiple places to hold it in place, pretty much on every panel, and keeps the roof nice and square. Pretty cool. It's got the latch door, and if I need to, I can put a lock on here. So I think overall it took about 2.5 hours to assemble this whole thing. As you can see, everything was lettered and labeled. I still have the stickers on. I can pull those off over time. But there were 4 of us here, so like somebody was looking through the book and helping and making sure that all the pieces went in the right place the first time, which is something you want to make sure whenever you assemble these things. You want to make sure everything's together right the first time, because you don't want to have to take it apart and redo it just because something's backwards or sideways. I got some bird seed in here. I got my shovels and my rakes in here. And I might actually put a little shelf in the corner so I can put my toolbox in here. I really like this. So it's been a couple days since I put the shed up, and it's raining hard. Everything is flooded, except in the shed. Everything's dry in here because of the roof and the floor. My bike is dry and my tools are dry. My electrical cables, everything in here is dry. I definitely approve of this, guys. If you're looking for a little shed, just big enough to put in some of your tools, maybe a couple of other things, this 6x4 shed was perfect for me.